topic digital transformation made easy. And how is that made easy? With industrial edge apps. We will talk about this topic today and introduce you to this solution in a few minutes. My name is Alexander Eirich and I'm the IoT solution offer marketing manager here at Schneider Electric.
Yeah, hello also from my side. My name is Jan Raemisch, offer management specialist for the industrial edge apps, and I hope some more people will come and hear about our session. So guys, come on, there's a lot of space for you, and let's listen to our talk.
So before we go into the details and about the offering, we need first to talk about data. And what you see here is not the Schneider Electric trend of the stock, stocks. It's about the data, how we are having an increasing amount of data over time. And this is just incredible if you look at that. In 2020 we had 64.2 zettabyte of data in generally created. And if you look at 2025, we almost will triple that number. And what is very important to understand here, that the main driver of this increasing number of created data in general comes from the industry sector. So all our machines, our productions, our sensors, which are becoming more and more intelligent and can have open protocols which can communicate and share their data and their information. This is the amount which is really giving us a lot of data and a lot of insights into the machines. And now the question is, how much of that data we actually use today? This is a big question here, right? Jan, over to you.
Yeah, I was a bit surprised and shocked at the same time when I saw this number, or let's say when I heard about this number, since we are not using 80% of the collected data now, or the other way around, we are just using 20% of the data. And since we heard that there is so much data we do collect, we of course not use a lot of potential. So when I'm talking about potential, I'm talking about visibility, I'm talking about awareness of your processes. I'm talking about analytics you can do. And of course, I'm talking about optimization, since we all want to be more efficient and be more active. And therefore, let us take a look how we are going to solve this issue. The situation looks like this for most of the companies right now, since they are not using the data, as we just learned. So therefore, we thought about how can we bring a bit of light into this unused potential. So therefore, we came up with a solution called EcoStruxure Edge Apps. And we can start pretty small with just one edge device which covers some applications. Two simple applications which are running directly at the machine level. So directly at the place where the data is being collected. And since we are Schneider Electric and we do not think small, we do think big, Alex will show you how the solution can look in a larger scale.
Yeah, thank you, Jan. So we understood now that with the edge device, which is close to our machine, we are able to have a close connection to our production, to our source where our data is created. And now, how we use these benefits we were talking about, which is in the data, the insights, how we do data analytics with the data, how we get benefit out of using that data. We put here an IPC, which is an edge device, and we are having here an app-based approach which helps you very flexible and scalable manage all your topics you have to use the data in order to do computation, to get notification at the edge, very close to your production. Yeah? And you see here you see two Schneider apps on the edge device. Here you see also some other logos. That means we are open for partner applications in that infrastructure, and not only that, we are even open for private application. That means as long as you have the possibility to put your own application, your private application into a Docker container, you can run it and execute it as an edge application here on the edge device. But now let's open the full picture. You may have not just 2 edge devices, you have 4 edge devices or even more. And now you immediately understand that there is a need to manage those edge devices over the lifetime. You want to manage the apps, you want to manage the Edge OS, and exactly this is the task, and this is the purpose why we need the EcoStruxure Edge Apps Manager. With the Edge Apps Manager, you have a central platform. From this central platform, you have the possibility to deploy the single apps on the single edge devices, and you have the possibility also to configure them, to do backups and restore them, to do the license and also the complete user management of that. But that's not the last topic. A very also important topic is that you can even do updates on the Edge OS, which is the operating system. So we are covering and managing the full edge device itself, not only the application but also the operating system. That means if there is some cybersecurity issue and you need to do patches on your edge devices, you just go to the Edge Apps Manager and configure an update campaign for all the Edge OSs on the edge devices and let it roll out. That's how your life is really made easy to use all the data which is available in the industry at the edge layer and do computation tasks with that. And we would like to go a bit more in detail with that and talk to you about specific apps we are having here, but unfortunately we don't have the time here. So I would like to invite you over to our booth in the bioprocessing area, and then we can go a bit more in detail and talk about specific applications we are offering, about specific solutions we have, and also listen to your requirements and what are your challenges to use the data which are created in the production at your site.
And one really important point, since you see the logo of Augury, I would love to guide someone to our booth who's going to be the next presenter. It's a partner of us, as the name is saying, it's Augury, represented by Scott. So even for partners who want to be a part of our ecosystem, come over to our booth, and maybe the next time you can be here on stage and present at our booth. Thank you guys.